everything I've ever done is dead. Anger is how things will surely have to end. And great loves will one day have to part. I know that I meant for this world. My life has been extraordinary, blessed and cursed and wild. Downhill, but I'm forever broken by and by the way. You ever heard the word I'm singing in these songs? For the girl I've loved all along. Get a taste of love, peace, and world. This how things will surely have to end. And great loves will one day have to part. And I know that I meant for this world. And in my mind as I was slowly far among the clouds, some children laughed, I fought for son, thinking that I'd live forever. But I knew exactly where I was, and I knew the meaning of it all, and I knew the distance to the sun, and I knew the echo that is love, and I knew the secrets in your spine, and I knew the emptiness of you, and I knew the solitude of her, and I knew the moments of the sun. Now the world is strong to you.